Welcome to New York City, the city that never sleeps, where dreams are made and adventures await. The energy hits you the moment you step off the plane. It's electric, vibrant, and unmistakably New York. You've seen it in movies and TV shows. Now you're here. The real-life version is even more exhilarating. First things first, let's get you from the airport to your hotel. Navigating this bustling city starts right here. The subway is the quickest and most affordable option. It's the lifeline of the city, connecting you to every corner. Don't be intimidated by the map. It might look complex, but it's a well-oiled machine. It's easier than it looks. With a little practice, you'll be navigating like a local in no time. You can also grab a taxi or use a ride-sharing app. These are convenient options, especially if you have a lot of luggage. Once you've dropped off your bags, it's time to explore. The city is your playground, and there's so much to see. New York City is a city best explored on foot. Every street has its own story, every corner a new discovery. But don't worry. The subway system is easy to use and can get you almost anywhere you need to go. It's your ticket to adventure. Purchase a Metro card for unlimited rides during your stay. It's the most economical way to travel around the city. Now that you know how to get around, it's time to start exploring. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, the city is yours to discover. My advice: don't try to do everything. The city is vast and there's always something new to see. Pick a few must-sees each day and really take your time. Savor each experience. Let the city unfold at its own pace. New York City is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoy every moment and let the city's magic captivate you. Start your New York City adventure in the heart of it all, Times Square. This bustling hub is often referred to as the crossroads of the world, and for good reason. It's a place where the city's energy is palpable and the excitement never seems to fade. It's a whirlwind of bright lights, giant billboards, and Broadway theaters. The neon lights and massive digital screens create a dazzling display that captivates visitors from all over the globe. You'll feel the energy as soon as you step off the subway. The streets are always alive with people, from hurried locals to wide-eyed tourists, all converging in this iconic location. It's a sight to behold, especially at night. The area transforms into a vibrant spectacle, with illuminated billboards and the hustle and bustle of nightlife creating an unforgettable atmosphere. Take your time soaking it all in. Whether you're people watching, snapping photos, or enjoying the street performers, there's always something to see and do. See a Broadway show for a true New York experience. The theaters here are world-renowned, offering a variety of performances that cater to all tastes. From musicals to plays, there's something for everyone. The talent and production quality are second to none, making it a must-see for any visitor. Walk a few blocks north and you'll find yourself in another iconic spot, Rockefeller Center. This complex is home to numerous attractions and is a central part of the city's cultural landscape. Visit during the holidays to see the famous Christmas tree and ice skating rink. The festive decorations and cheerful atmosphere make it a magical experience. No matter when you visit, take the elevator to the top of the Rock for stunning city views. From this vantage point, you can see the sprawling cityscape, including landmarks like Central Park and the Empire State Building, offering a perspective that truly captures the grandeur of New York City. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life in Central Park. This green oasis in the middle of Manhattan is a must-visit. Rent a bike and explore the park's many paths. Have a picnic on the Great Lawn, take a boat ride on the lake, visit the Bethesda Terrace and Fountain. There's something for everyone in Central Park. You can easily spend an entire day exploring this urban oasis. Don't forget to look for the park's many statues and sculptures. Each one has a story to tell. New York City is home to some of the world's best museums, and many of them are located along Museum Mile on Fifth Avenue. Spend a day or even two exploring art and culture. Start at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, one of the largest and most comprehensive art museums in the world. Then head to the Guggenheim Museum to admire its unique spiral structure and modern art collection. Don't miss the Neue Gallery, home to German and Austrian art, or the Frick Collection, housed in a Gilded Age mansion. Museum hopping is the perfect way to experience the city's cultural side. Section 5. Reaching for the sky iconic landmarks and their stories. No trip to New York City is complete without seeing its most iconic landmarks. Head to the Empire State Building for breathtaking views from its observation deck. You can see all of Manhattan and beyond. Learn about the building's history and construction. Then hop on a ferry to Liberty Island and visit the Statue of Liberty. This symbol of freedom and democracy is even more impressive up close. Take a tour to learn about its history and significance. These landmarks are more than just photo opportunities. They're symbols of the city's history and spirit. Section 6. A walk across history, Brooklyn Bridge and Dumbo. For stunning views of the Manhattan skyline, take a walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. This architectural marvel connects Manhattan and Brooklyn. It's a must-do for any visitor. Wear comfortable shoes. The walk is about a mile long. Once you're in Brooklyn, explore the trendy neighborhood of Dumbo, which stands for Down Under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass. Check out the quirky shops and art galleries. Grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants with waterfront views. Section 7. Remembering and rebuilding. Lower Manhattan's resilience. Lower Manhattan is a place of reflection and remembrance. Visit the 9/11 Memorial and Museum to pay your respects to the victims of the September 11th attacks. The museum tells the story of that tragic day and its aftermath. It's a powerful and moving experience. Then, head to the nearby One World Observatory for panoramic views from the top of the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. The observatory offers interactive exhibits about the city's history and construction. Lower Manhattan reminds us of the city's resilience and its ability to rebuild and come back stronger than ever. Section 8. A tapestry of cultures, exploring NYC's unique neighborhoods. One of the best things about New York City is its diversity. Experience it firsthand by exploring the city's many unique neighborhoods. Each one has its own distinct character and charm. Wander through the cobblestone streets of Greenwich Village, known for its bohemian vibe and history as a center for artists and writers. Explore Chinatown, with its bustling markets and delicious dim sum restaurants. Get a taste of Italy in Little Italy, with its charming cafes and bakeries. From the East Village to Harlem, each neighborhood offers a different perspective on New York City life. Section 9. Elevated experiences, the High Line and Chelsea Market. For a unique perspective on the city, take a stroll on the High Line. This elevated park offers a refreshing escape from the bustling streets below. This elevated park was built on a former railroad line, transforming an old piece of infrastructure into a vibrant green space. It offers stunning views of the city and the Hudson River. As you walk, you'll see the skyline from a whole new angle. The High Line is a great place to take a walk, have a picnic, or just relax and enjoy the scenery. There are plenty of benches and grassy areas to sit and unwind. Afterward, head to Chelsea Market, located right below the High Line. This market is a must-visit for anyone exploring the area. This indoor food hall is a foodie's paradise. With a wide variety of vendors, there's something for everyone. You'll find everything from fresh produce to gourmet cheeses to artisanal bread. The selection is vast and caters to all tastes. It's the perfect place to grab a bite to eat or pick up some souvenirs. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or a unique gift, Chelsea Market has it all. Section 10. Bright lights and showstoppers, Broadway and beyond. Experience the magic of Broadway, where world-class performers bring stories to life on stage. See a musical or a play in one of the many historic theatres in the Theatre District. Get your tickets in advance, as shows often sell out. After the curtain falls, the city comes alive with nightlife options. From jazz clubs to comedy shows to rooftop bars, there's something for everyone. Catch a live music performance at the Village Vanguard in Greenwich Village. Have a laugh at the Comedy Cellar in the West Village. Or enjoy a cocktail with a view at a rooftop bar in Midtown. Section 11. A taste of New York, from bagels to fine dining. No trip to New York City is complete without indulging in its iconic food scene. Start your day with a bagel and schmear from a local deli. Grab a slice of pizza from a street vendor. Enjoy a hot dog from a street cart. For a more upscale dining experience, make a reservation at one of the city's many Michelin-starred restaurants. From street food to fine dining, New York City has something to satisfy every craving. Section 12. Shopping paradise, from luxury boutiques to vintage finds. New York City is a shopper's paradise. Find everything from luxury brands to vintage finds. Stroll down Fifth Avenue, home to department stores like Saks Fifth Avenue and Bergdorf Goodman. Explore the trendy boutiques in Soho. Discover unique finds in the vintage shops in Williamsburg. No matter what your style or budget, you're sure to find something special in New York City. Don't forget to bring an extra suitcase. Section 13. Leaving a piece of your heart, the unforgettable spirit of NYC. As you say goodbye to New York City, you'll realize that it's more than just a city. It's an experience. It's a feeling. It's a state of mind. The energy, the diversity, the excitement, it all stays with you long after you've left. You'll leave a piece of your heart in New York City, and you'll find yourself planning your next trip back before you even know it. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your New York City adventure today. You won't regret it.